Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dissect the latest gadgets to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into the OM System OM1 Mark II, a powerhouse of a camera designed for outdoor and action photography. Let's jump right in. First off, let's talk about speed and performance. The OM1 Mark II boasts a fantastic autofocus system that can keep up with even the most unpredictable subjects, thanks to its 50 fps continuous focus and subject tracking. Whether you're shooting wildlife, sports, or fast-paced events, this camera has you covered. One of the standout features of the OM1 Mark II is its rugged build quality. With IP53 weather sealing and a magnesium body, this camera is built to withstand the elements, making it the perfect companion for outdoor adventures. Plus, with its effective in-body stabilization, you can capture crisp, clear shots even in challenging conditions. Now, let's talk about the camera's computational tilt. This innovative feature allows you to capture stunning long exposures without the need for a tripod or ND filters. Whether you're shooting landscapes or experimenting with creative techniques, the OM1 Mark II's computational tilt opens up a world of possibilities. Moving on to ergonomics, the OM1 Mark II excels with its superb grip and intuitive controls. The rubberized dials and customizable buttons make it a joy to use, even with gloves on. Plus, with features like one-touch white balance and depth of field preview at your fingertips, you can easily fine-tune your settings on the fly. Let's not forget about the viewfinder and LCD display. With a large, clear electronic viewfinder and a versatile articulating LCD, composing your shots is a breeze. Whether you prefer shooting through the viewfinder or using the touchscreen LCD, the OM1 Mark II offers a comfortable and intuitive shooting experience. Finally, let's talk about burst shooting. The OM1 Mark II delivers blistering fast speeds of up to 120 fps, ensuring you never miss a moment of the action. Plus, with its generous buffer memory, you can keep shooting at full speed without worrying about slowdowns. In conclusion, the OM System OM1 Mark II is a powerhouse camera that excels in outdoor and action photography. With its durable build, fantastic autofocus system, and innovative computational tilt, it's a top choice for photographers who demand the best. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more in-depth reviews from Product Critique.